In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot Conversations inbox. Whether you're looking to streamline communication or enhance customer engagement, setting up this feature will be a great step forward for your business. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your HubSpot account. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so now, entering your credentials with care to ensure a smooth start. Once you're in, you'll want to find your way to the trial guide. This guide is an excellent resource and will provide you with all the necessary tools and information needed to effectively start your form building process. It's like your own personal dashboard filled with guides, tips, and everything essential for your journey with HubSpot. After you've acquainted yourself with the trial guide, head over to your home page. Here, you will find the settings option. Give that a click. As you explore the settings menu, look to the left side of your screen. Scroll down through the list of options and you'll find a section labeled Tools. Under that, there's an option called Inbox and Help Desk. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll need to select Inboxes. This is your command center where you can manage all your communication channels effectively. Next, you'll see an option that says Connect to Channel. This feature is vital, as connecting your different channels will integrate various forms of communication into a unified system. Click on it to proceed. You'll then want to focus on Chat, which is crucial if instant messaging and real-time engagement with your clients are what you aim for. Now, this is the point where you get to customize your experience. You'll see different types of chat options. Feel free to select which type you wish to connect. Whether it's live chat, bots, or other interactive platforms, the choice you make here determines how you'll engage with your website visitors or customers. Take a moment to consider which chat option best fits your business needs and goals. Throughout this setup, remember that HubSpot is all about providing seamless integration and user-friendly interfaces, making it easier for you to keep everything under control. Take your time exploring the tools it offers, as they are designed to enhance both internal and external communication processes. And there you have it, a simple and effective guide to setting up your HubSpot Conversations inbox. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing conversations more efficiently and boosting your customer interaction. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time.